And it says here, I am sure he is going to invite you and Hessen. See that?
Mm-hmm.
That invite you and Hessen to what?
To a meeting.
What kind of a meeting?
They have a lot of meetings over there in Switzerland. They're like meeting every other day. And they were very interested in Sargon's implant, and I'm sure that enthusiastic and interested. So I assumed that he was going to invite Sir Winston and his son
back to Switzerland, and to do something in regard to the Sargon implant.
Correct.
It says, I really would prefer Hochwald, but you decide with Peter. What does that refer to?
What does that refer to?
Yeah.
If you have to choose between two surgeons at that point in time, I recommended that he take Hochwald with him instead of Hassan.
Why?
Why?
Yes, why?
I like Hochwald. And I think Hochwald, as an oral surgeon, probably would relate better over there.
Well, did you consider Hochwald a more competent surgeon?
No.
It was a personality thing.
Correct.
By the way, did you tell anybody at Nova BioCare that Dr. Shearer was interested in the Sargon implant system?
No.
And then it says, we go a little bit further down, it says, I already warned him, I assume that's referring to Dr. Shearer, Hassam, Dr. Nowzari, has a lot of bullshit. You see that?
Yes.
What does that refer to?
He uses a lot of terms that aren't readily understood other than in the esoteric scientific community.
He being Dr. Nowzari.
Correct.
You actually said that he uses terms I don't think he understands.
Is there a question pending?
Well, were there examples, were there times in which Dr. Nowzari used terms in your presence that you did not think that he understood?
I couldn't relate them. No.
Well, then what is the reference to terms I don't think he understands? What does that mean?
I don't really know myself.
And then it says, but it probably says, should say you know. It says, but no, you have to work with someone. That's someone being Dr. Nowzari?
And Hochwald.